Hey guys, today I'm showing y'all what I purchased from Amazon. It just came in the mail, and I went ahead and took it out of the envelope. And this is all nail supplies. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this dip powder case, and it's a French, you could do French manicure. It's really cute. So I've never seen a pink dip powder case before, so I got the pink one, and they also had this really pretty blue color as well, and I want to say a white one. So look how adorable. I'm super excited for this. So here's the top, and this is where you'd lay your fingers in, and you could do the French, or you could do like the marble nails. This comes off, and then you've got this, and then you've got the two pull-out trays. Oh, and then the bottom has this little suction cup so it doesn't slide around. And then here's your little pour thing. That is really cute. I've always wanted one of these. So that's really cute. Then the second item I got, and I've wanted one of these. And this is a professional liquid monomer squeezy bottle, and it's 8 fluid ounce, and it also has the measurements. And then a squeezy bottle, and that way it'll be easier to, get the monomer out, so I can just squeeze it out, hopefully. Anyways, and then it's got this little top. Alright, and I'm excited for this. This is a Beetles dipping powder nail kit. Now I've got the Beetles acrylic powders, and they're really nice as well, but this is the dip powder, and this is their starter kit, and this was on sale. This was a really good price. I don't remember what I paid for it, but if I find the links, I will post it down below. Ooh, so here's how it looks. Alright, let's see what all it comes with. And it says, "Hey there, gorgeous." Alright. So it comes with a file, a 100-180 file, a big scoopy cuticle scooper. That's nice. And it looks like it comes with the fluffy brush. Nice. And I think it's supposed to come with liquids, I think. I'm hoping. Alright, so it comes with the 6 powders. Ooh, those are pretty. This looks like a shimmer. And then these all look, some of these are matte. Ooh, and then we got a beautiful glitter. Come on, dude. I only have a few more minutes. What? I don't know. I don't know why you're asking me. I have no idea.
Boost yourself.
I have no idea. I don't know. I'm doing something. Goddamn. Jesus fucking Christ. My husband gets on my fucking nerves. Alright. So then this one looks like it has shimmer. Ooh, that is pretty. He is so fucking rude. Alright. Then here are the liquids. Alright, so it comes with the base coat. And it looks like you get 5 milliliters. It's kind of like a plastic bottle. I thought they were more regular sized, but they are pretty small. Just the bottles look bigger than the other dips. Anyways, Number 1 is base, number 2 is activator, number 3 is top, and 4 is the brush saver. Let's check out this powder. This is Z99. Ooh, that's a really pretty pink. That's a really nice summery pink. Oh, and these powders are 6 ounces or 17 grams. Here's another really pretty glitter. Ooh, that's like a lavender glitter. That one's really pretty. Dang it, and I just did this hand a few hours ago, and I used the dip top coat, and then I ended up having to leave and my nails weren't dry, so I totally messed the top coat up. So when I'm done filming, I'll have to foul the top coat and re-top coat it. But these are new dip powders that I used in on this hand, and I'm gonna sport my natural nails for a few days. And then this one is a pretty purple. I don't have many purple dip powders, so I'm excited to get these colors. That one's very pretty. I really like that purple. That one's very pretty. I'm super excited for this. And then here's a lighter pink, almost a peachy color, it looks like almost. It's kind of like a peachy pink. Alright, so this Beetles kit comes with 6 17-gram dip powders, and then you get the 4 gel, or the 4 dip liquids. And then you get a file. And then this, I want to check out this cuticle picture. Ooh, this has the long pour. That way you can kind of pour it. And then you got your little, this one's nice. I like that one. I don't have one like that. So you get your file. And the brush is very, very cheaply. Very shitty, to be honest. But everything else is very nice. The brush, they could definitely step it up. But you get the full kit, and then it comes with a pamphlet with instructions with pictures. So cool. So my next mani is going to be this dip powder, and then the other hand will be my glitter nail dip powder, my little glitter or something. I just did the unboxing for that. I'm going to do those colors, and then I'll use this Beetles color. But yeah, this is a full kit that you can do everything dip with. And I got that on sale. I don't remember the price. I want to say, I don't know, $16, $17. And then this is really cute. Will definitely come in handy doing dip. I think this was like $6 or $7. And then these liquid monomer 8 fluid bottles with the measurements was like $3.50 or so. If I remember, I'll put the links to all these. So yeah, all this came from Amazon, so go check that out. It's really good stuff to find nail products on. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And thank you.